Hey there, 7th graders. Mr. Kerr here, and welcome as we get going into week 12, population changes in the Eastern Hemisphere, which we'll be looking at. Now, before we get into that, and of course, hopefully you're watching this Monday morning, and as usual, you're checking your grade book and going through and kind of setting up a plan for the week. I do want us to look a little bit beyond this week too, and just notice we only have about 6 weeks left. So here we are, Monday, April 8th. So we have this week, this week, this week, this week. So 4 weeks in April, though that last week starts into May. And then if we click up here on May, then 2 full weeks in May. And then this last week is kind of finals, getting all wrapped up and everything. And our final day will be that 3rd full week of May. So we really only have 6 weeks left. So really important that you're on top of stuff, that you're checking your grade book. If you have any questions about finishing strong this semester, you need to be asking those questions now. So again, population change, we'll go through this. We do have a weekly quiz. So week 12 quiz, please take as a pretest. On Monday, you'll be able to take it once, and then later in the week, I'll open it up again, as we always do. Now, as we get in here, again, Start Here folder right at the top. If you have any questions at all, always start there. We've gone through Unit 3. We're in Unit 4, and then down here, week 12 population change. And so we're going to be looking at the population growth. It's kind of around the world, but really we're focusing on the Eastern Hemisphere, as you know. So, take the quiz on Monday as a pretest, take notes so you know what to focus on for the week. You'll be going through this global population growth. Pretty interesting stuff, and I want you to take some time. You'll do a few notes and stuff on it, but I really want you to take some time to go to the 2 websites and play around with it and look at the different numbers and really take some time. We do have 2 assignments beyond that, population growth and population growth box by box is our discussion board. But as you look here in this global population growth, these go through these pictures of some very crowded stuff. And then it's actually this next page called population growth, the assignment. Really take some time to go through. So the knowledge rating chart here is your actual assignment, and that's pretty quick to get you going on some vocab. But then there are a couple of websites that I really want you to get into. Worldometers, Info World Population, this one, and then gapminder.org. Really interesting stuff. Try and take 15, 20 minutes in each of these sites to really go through and play with them a little bit. And you will need Flash working to do the bubble chart. It's pretty cool when you see all these countries and the sizes and where they're located and population now. Anyways, you'll see it, but go through it. And so that will be the first assignment, and then population growth box by box. You'll get that. And a TED Talk by Hans Rosling, where he uses these boxes to represent global population. So take a look at some of the charts and graphs that I've included this week as well. All right. So again, coming up towards the end of the semester, so make sure you're organized, ready to go, and follow the suggested schedule. It will get you done by Friday, Monday through Friday, and then you can have the weekend off. But also make sure you go back and double check if you're missing anything. All right. Thanks. Have a great one. Oh, no on campus this week for middle schoolers. The high school is using the campus to test. So no on campus. If you need one-on-one help, call, email, text, and we can set something up. All right. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.